Marlene.
Hiya, how are you?
Marlene?
Come on then, here's Daddy's mummy here.
You're right, Marlene. Marlene, over to your right, please, if we could. Marlene, over to your right.
Marlene in the middle.
Thank you.
Marlene, just back down the front here this way.
On your right, Marlene. Marlene. Just on. Marlene, straight head down here. Down the right, Marlene.
Marlene down here,
Thank you.
down the middle.
Straight to the middle, please.
Marlene down the front. Marlene, sit you down.
Marlene.
Okay, well hi guys, today I'm in the Mothercare store. It's a big day for me because it's almost like my second baby. This is my launch for the Baby K range. As you can see, it's all behind me right now and I'm so excited. I really am. I keep walking around and I just can't believe that this is my range. It's been 2 years of the planning, so big day today, and I hope you like it. If you've got little ones or if you've got brothers, sisters, cousins, hopefully they'll like the range. Let me know anyway. It's been quite a busy month. We finished last choir standing. Quite gutted because I was really enjoying myself at the same time. Really nice to see such a strong choir win. They really thoroughly deserved it. And already I hear that all the raffle companies are signing them up, so it was something that I'm very proud of. What else is coming up? I'm going to Rio straight after this. I'm covering the film festival for CNN, so that's going to be pretty exciting. And then after that, I'm back with a new, well, I was going to say new fashion show, but I'm going to leave you guessing for a little bit. Not allowed to say too much. Anyway, that's it for me for the time being. Hope you like the range, and hope to see you all soon. Thank you.